In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex with MT5 on Pocket Option. This popular trading platform offers a range of features that can enhance your trading experience, and today we'll walk through the process of getting started. First off, you'll want to head over to the Pocket Option website. This is widely regarded as one of the most innovative trading platforms available today, providing an array of trading options, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrency. For our purposes, we'll be focusing on Forex trading using MT5, a powerful tool that offers advanced charting options and analytical functions, which are invaluable for making informed trading decisions. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Trading, located in the navigation menu. This will take you to the trading dashboard where all the magic happens. Bear in mind that navigating these initial steps correctly is crucial as it sets the foundation for your entire trading experience. Now that we're in the trading section, it's time to select the Forex MT5 Real account. This is your gateway to accessing live market data and executing real-time trades. If you're new to Forex trading or MT5, take a moment to explore the interface. Familiarizing yourself with this space can help you feel more confident as you proceed to trade. With your account selected, the next step is to choose the currency pair or crypto asset you want to trade. Forex trading revolves around currencies like the euro versus the US dollar or the British pound versus the yen. In some cases, you might find cryptocurrency pairs available, which can offer unique opportunities for traders. Make your selection based on your research or trading strategy. Remember, it's crucial to analyze potential market movements and trends before deciding on an asset to trade. Next, head over to the orders section to enter the amount you want to invest in your trade. Here you'll determine your trade size, which is directly linked to your risk exposure and potential profit or loss. Carefully consider how much you're willing to invest. It's often advisable to start small, especially if you're new or testing a strategy. This approach allows you to minimize risks while getting a feel for the trading environment. After setting your investment amount, you're ready to execute your trade. Simply click on Buy to open a long position where you anticipate the asset's value will rise. Alternatively, if the market analysis suggests a decline in value, you might opt to sell to open a short position instead. Always confirm your trade details before proceeding, as this is an irreversible step. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to trading Forex using MT5 in